Hello everybody, my name is BDF and welcome to a brand new LEGO Alt MOC build. Today we're converting 42165's competition truck into the Dark Harvester. This is my first ever paid for MOC. I bought this at £1.25 from rebrickable.com, coming out at 214 pieces across 134 steps. To divide that is an average of 1.5 pieces per section for the Dark Harvester. Features of the set include hog steering rear wheels, a head lifting mechanism, and a rotatable unloading auger. Sounds pretty interesting. Now, there are no images for this build. There are no images down here. This will just be a plain build with no pictures shown at the bottom for the instructions. Due to it being a paid set, I don't want to give away the person's build. They've obviously got behind a paywall. It's like a Patreon, you know, it's exclusive. I'm going to be very respectable of their wishes. So let's strip the competition truck apart, put the pieces in the recording tubs, and get to today's conversion, the Dark Harvester. Enjoy. And here's the final complete conversion from 42165's competition truck into the Dark Harvester. And for my first ever paid build, this is lovely. I got full blessing from the creator to make this video. Thank you so much for your response. I love the build. It has Hand of God turning here. And look at this. The bit he comes out. I forgot what to call it, but hey, it comes at a proper farming set. I like this Mercedes AMG Petronas Dark Harvester. It took about 40 or so minutes to build. There's also a liftable header here via the side, which I think is very nice. It works through this little cock and balls piece right here, which is very cool. Overall, I do like the set, and I would advise you to go buy it. It's only £1.25 UK or $1.50 or €1.40 something. It's a very nice little set. If you enjoyed it, leave your thoughts down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. A pleasurable enough build. I enjoyed it. There are no complications at all. A fun set and a cool addition to the MOC series. With that said, I've been BDF14. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next build. Take care.